it won't work. You don't get it. No. Okay, it does have space in it.
Okay, guys. So,
We'll see that later when there'll be any
guys,
problem with
let's
space.
go here and show you the whole track. It's gonna be hard to go, but it's okay.
Where does this track go? Oh,
My goodness, it's.
doggy. Going ahead of us.
Look at this dog. It has so much power. Hey, do you want to get hurt by that?
I
Hello.
don't want to be someone who's lagging behind somebody.
Okay, I'm going, doggy.
Hey, where you go, man? Don't. We need to be here. Who's coming in there?
I'm coming.
You're coming, right? Cool.
I want to come. Okay, so why don't you? Hey, doggy. Hey, you. Hey, you doggy. Doggy,
Making that sound makes him come back. You make that sound, he'll just come back to you.
He'll never come back. I can't even go on these because you'll never know that there may be something.
He's a bush.
Hmm.
There's a hell lot of bushes everywhere. You step on them, you never know what's there inside it.
I'm not gonna go there.
Something just pops out and bites you.
Okay,
But you don't need to be that much worried, man. If that would be so, then nobody would come here. Hello?
Huh.
Huh?
I think we should just move up and then he'll still come.
Okay.
Okay, bye, doggy. See, she came back.
You won't wait for us.